Show season's here, and we probably just went to the 2 best shows of the year already, and they were in back-to-back weeks. We're gonna show you Orange Beach Invasion and Florida Truck Meet and what went down, because we had a hell of a good time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe for more.
So I think this is a sign of a wheel fan in the making.
Looks so much better. All right, so we're getting ready to head out for OBI tomorrow night. So today we're doing some last minute wheel swaps. I'm putting the chrome Churchills back on my Bronco, throwing some amps on as well. Super excited to see how those sound on the highway versus the Venom Powers I'd had before, and we'll see if we make it. Found a center cap. Let's do it. So I personally am more of a chrome guy, always have been. You can't run chrome in Wisconsin in the winters. It gets destroyed, trust me, I've tried it. Winter beater. So when we're going to Alabama for a week, I'm gonna put my chrome wheels on. So that's really the only reason why I'm switching, because I just like chrome a little bit better. So we'll bring a sample of the Gray Caesar so people at the shows can see it, but all right, I'm done. Who have you got together too? While we're there, I'm gonna show off the Churchills in chrome, because that's just my jam. So before I even get into talking about how the show went, I just need to reiterate and explain that Cody Banker is not the guy to tie down your trucks before a show. I'm just saying that right now.
We had it hooked up to something sharp, we think, and then all the bumping, it just finally cut it. And
oh, like the strap actually broke?
Yeah, the strap broke.
Oh shit!
So
I thought it was just the slack that was floating around.
Nope.
Did you guys give it the tug test? Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere. You didn't say that it's not going anywhere.
That Banker strapped it.
Do we have a stop coming soon?
In like an hour,
well then, good.
2 hours. Where are you going? Are you actually peeing right now? Jesus Christ.
For some reason, for the first 3 hours, every hour, there was something wrong.
At this rate, we might get out of Wisconsin by tomorrow morning.
And it was all Banker's fault. So I'm putting that one on you, Banker.
All right, back on the road. Well, we made it.
Why isn't your top off?
I sure hope you would just guide me, you know?
You're doing great.
Did you say send it?
Don't fall off the trailer either, though. Just send it. It's a Ridgeline. Oh my God.
OBI, Orange Beach Invasion in Alabama. It was 20 hours of straight driving for us, which was insane. Patrick decided randomly that he was just gonna get his truck all dirty, that he was gonna have in our booth and need washed anyways.
Who brought him?
Yeah, who brought you? It's my truck. Isn't it in the show tomorrow? Well, it's gonna get cleaned by somebody.
We finally got to sleep last night after like 38 hours up. So now we're heading to the show. We're gonna get the vehicles detailed that are in the booth, get our booth set up, and hang out. It's a beautiful day here in Alabama.
So let me kind of paint the picture for you here as far as Orange Beach Invasion. It's hosted at what's called the Wharf. A bunch of palm trees, and everyone parks their trucks down there, and that's like the main drag of the show, and then it kind of spreads out from there. The venue itself, there's shops everywhere, there's all kinds of food, plus the fact that the trucks and the vehicles at the show were crazy as well.
Tell them run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it all. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it all. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it all. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me.
All right, so right up front in our booth, we got Jackson's 07 Cat-Eye Duramax in the booth. He's on about 35 million inches of lift. He's got chrome ARKON Caesars on his truck with some big old boggers, and obviously he's still skating those because this thing is huge. Got a pretty solid booth set up at Orange Beach Invasion.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it all. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might. But first I tell her run it off.
The way the show is set up is sweet. Venue's dope. The weather is crazy, and then at night, everything lit up.
Hey, buddy. I just wanted to be on YouTube one time. I'm drunk. My name's Chandler Smith, and I love y'all.
What's that? Yeah.
I said thanks to the tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops. Drop a lot and she pack the bags. She shop till we drop.
We also had my 2022 Ford Bronco, 7 inches of lift on. I actually swapped the Churchills back on, so 24x14 chrome Churchills over the 24x14 gray Caesars that I had on there.
I own this, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I eat steak with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks to the tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops. Drop a lot and she pack the bags. She shop till we drop.
So everything at the show, like venue, everything about it, the builds was top of the line. It's all like the big stuff, more SEMA type builds. But then they do also have your normal you and me everyday trucks in this show as well. So there's a lot to see.
Alrighty, we're gonna stop by the AlphaRex booth and see what they got that's new and cool here at OBI 2023. Danny, what's up, dude?
How are you, man?
Good. What do you got new for us?
All right. So
Or
we
cool.
actually have, I mean, everything's cool. Let's be real. Yeah, we've got 3rd gen Ram taillights. When you turn the lights on.
Dang. Okay.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So yeah, these will be available in a couple months. Actually, I think we're about
At customoutfits.com, right?
Yes, sir. You know it. This is our Alpha Black model, so it's a clear lens. Smoked DRLs in there, but we'll also have like a smoked red, and then we'll have a smoked black with like a white DRL.
And you have 5th gen stuff too, right? So basically 3rd through 5th, you have.
Yeah, so early 3rd gen, all the way to 5th gen, 2500, 1500s, all of them. We actually have a 5th gen, our company 5th gen over here, long bed. And then, yeah, your sequential turn signal. Basically the exact same style taillight as over there.
Yep.
This is a 14 to 2100.
Okay.
And then all those cat eye fanboys out there.
Yep.
They love this stuff. One other little thing you might want to see.
Uh-oh.
That's it. That's it. That's all I can show you. I can't say what that is, but
Coming soon.
that's coming soon as well.
Dude, man, we'll keep checking out the show. Appreciate you.
Awesome. Well, thanks for stopping by, man. Appreciate it.
Later.
Overall, show was amazing. It's one of those shows that it's worth making the trip for to come out and check. It's super chill, super fun, super high quality. And then from there, the rest of the team then went down another 8 hours to Homestead, Florida for the Florida truck meet. And a lot happened there, so we'll just roll tape and let you see kind of what went down. All right, so right up front in our booth, we got Dustin's 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. You can see it's got the old teal and pink wrap still on it. But what's new is his brand new ARKON Armstrongs in 26x14, gloss black and milled. We also have the bad old Ridgeline. That thing is plasti by ourselves. And then we've got Vision Brawls on that in chrome 22x14s with some Venom powers as well. Custom headlights, the whole shebang on this bad boy. And yes, we had that cooler full the whole weekend. You best believe it. And then we had Patrick's brand new F350 limited $19 million truck dually in as well on his brand new KG1 forged wheels that he picked up literally right before the show. So that was our whole booth setup. Kind of had a badass display with a lot of different stuff people could come and see.
Where you going? Hey, hey, back in that bag again. Don't bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook. No, I ain't added her in. They loving the swag, baby, nah, I'm Matic now, but she loving the splash again. I just be cashing in her bun. guns, just like a wedding I'm crashing in. Hundreds on hundreds, I'm moving and grooving. She wanna cut up, I'ma slash again. Buckets on buckets, I'm switching edition. Back in my bag, going back again. I feel like Aladdin, yeah. I'm on the carpet, flying through orbits, ain't doing no talking. Wow. They on my body as soon as I walk in, bitches be stalking.
My name's RT Brown. This is my 2022 F-150.
Hey, where you going?
Starting off, I got BDS 6-inch lift, prismatic powders, illusion blue, tuned up to 9.5. I got a set of 24x14 ARKON Caesars, black and milled, wrapped in 37x14x24 Nitto Ridge grapplers. I've got custom F-250 Goliath mounts with Wicked emblems, done by Wicked Customs, also down in Naples. I've got rough country 6-inch airbags, helper bags for towing. Wrap was done by Panda Printing down in Naples, Florida also. We got 56 who run it, LED rock lights, 4 in each wheel well, 20 under the truck, 5 in the front bumper, 8 in the back bumper, and they're scattered everywhere. We've got LED backlit on the traction bars so everything shines through. You can see the colors at night.
The other cool thing about the Florida Truck Meet too is one of the owners is Jordan with Truck Fever. The other one is Patrick, who is now our CMO. Having him involved with us, then also involved with Florida Truck Meet, gave us some cool opportunities, and putting all of that together just made for a super cool experience. And obviously, they know how to put on a show.
I know it's a gym, tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down.
And this a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.
And this a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And this a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
It's a good time. Y'all know it's a good time. And man, we got some great trucks here tonight. You know what I like about being at a show like this? There are trucks out here doing tug of war tonight that have absolutely no business doing tug of war. That's awesome. I love seeing that.
That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest.
Won because we got to see it. It's a beautiful night. We're partying down here in South Florida. Life is good.
So that's it. That was the last 2 weeks all wrapped up, from Wisconsin to Alabama, down to the bottom of Florida, and then all the way back home. It was a lot of miles, it was a lot of fun, it was a lot of beers with the boys, but that's what we do around here. That is just the beginning of show season for us. There's plenty more to come. If you guys like this, let us know down below. And if you need your setup for show season, of course, CustomOutfits.com has you on the hookup with wheels and tires, with free mounting and balancing and suspension. That was a huge plug. Hopefully you stay tuned to see that. That's all we got for you. Peace.
Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a